guys, I feel like to get up. I feel to get up. I feel like to just stay all day in my bed. And all night it was raining. Yeah, I'm gonna get up, see me on pillow, I'm hugging the night. This pregnancy, I never had no maternity pillow. The one that, how them call it? Pregnant woman pillow. Yeah, the long pillow. The shape kinda nice. So you hug her in the night, the pillow, hug it in the night. This time, I just went to Press Smart and bought just basic long pillow, and it worked just fine for me. Yeah man, little tip for you guys. If somebody's pregnant, now it's no face, go for a long pillow to Press Smart and get yourself a long pillow. You can hug in the night, because you're not gonna be able to sleep on your back. You're gonna be able to sleep on your sides them. Now you sleep on your sides, you want to hug and grab something. Yeah, cause husbands them good for hug, husbands, but they are not so soft like pillow. So this pillow saved me a lot, I'm gonna get up, mommy, I forget up, mommy, I have to go cook breakfast for kids. I see her all in the house. I'm probably gonna play football. I'm here, all the kids already up and they watch TV. So I'm gonna get up, serve breakfast. And I don't know, but in my third trimester, all I want to eat for breakfast is fried egg. Man, I just crave for fried egg with white bread every morning, What's going on? It's like, I don't want no other breakfast. I don't want porridge, I don't want nothing. I want fried egg with bread and something sweet for drink, like not hot chocolate, but like Milo or something. Oh boy, I don't even know how my face look. So if you see something, I just woke up, so excuse me, I'm sorry. I saw people wake up, People don't wake up pretty. Belly looks pretty big, but it does not really look ready, because I'm saying belly going go down. But right now, I don't really see it when down. You guys see it is done? I don't think so. I'm just glad for having those videos so I can go back and watch them. That I recorded them, my pregnancy journey, because I never had my pregnancy journeys on record, my previous two. So I'm kind of glad I have this one. I plan to go again. Honestly, I was thinking about it again and again. Me not plan to go again. I know I don't stop check my weight, but let's check it out. Cause I'm saying anything. I'm dealing with healthy pregnancy. If I want something sweet, me eat it. If I want something heavy, if I want my barbecue zinger, me eat it. 65.5. So normally I'm like 56. Let's say like from 54 to 56. 56 pound me worse. Yeah. But now it's 65.5. So let's say I gained either 90 or either 10 kilograms. In a bad, because I don't follow no strict diet, or I don't tell myself, I have craving for this, but I can't eat it. Oh boy, afraid to gain weight. No man, now go eat it. Eat everything. Look at sir, 10 o'clock already in the morning, and I never had breakfast. So late I woke up. Like really? Me I live life. Me I live life. Whatcha? I'm making some nice breakfast. Mixing Milo, So do you guys mix Milo with milk or mix Milo with water? Because honestly, I'm gonna mix it with milk. And to make it really good, I'm gonna add some condensed milk. It's not there yet. It's not there yet. Fry eggs. Earl says, Swaggy, you're nasty, man. I eat them kind of eggs, you know. If you don't fry the egg like a fry, I don't want it. Because, you know, when you open it, when you cut it, the yellow something will come out. But it's ready. It's not like raw. But Earl says, like, Swaggy, I don't do them something. And white bread. And white bread. I guess watermelon nice. We're going cherry. Guys, cherry not talk to me. But you go up on Errol hand. What do you? Miss. I pick somebody. Must that, you know. Because Errol always cleans her cage. And this bird, let me tell you something. She loves clean place, you know. But we always change your food. Remember this. You have to love me too. Yeah, guys. So a long time I did not show you cherry. Cherry, alright, guys. Cherry good. Cherry is doing great. Yeah, Cherry's doing better than me because she have no responsibilities. So she just has to sit down and yam food. Oh boy, let me tell you something. I did so much pressing. I did so much hand wash with baby clothes. Let me tell you something. A good thing me have like woolly baby clothes, cause that's a lot of work, you know. That's a lot of work. So me have one little drawer here. Let me show you. Me have one little drawer here for my future daughter, and one more so, like that, but it's not fully full. This one is really full. Yes, and it's ready. Everything is hand washed and pressed. And you know, let me tell you something. This closet, like some things I bought and some things people from all over the world, subscribers, and come give me as a little present from England, from US, from different parts. Thank you. Yeah, cause you know, baby clothes in Jamaica, good baby clothes are expensive, you know. I tell you no lie. Baby clothes in Jamaica are very expensive. But I found a couple of stores where you can buy no name. I mean, I think it's a name brand. Those like I bought from Chinese stores. I'm not no brand baby clothes, like real brand, like Carter's. Like real Carter's. They are very expensive. After 3 bodysuits just the other day I saw in Fontana, about 5,000 Jamaican for look at 3 body suits them. So I am pretty ready. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm not gonna touch it, but it's waiting on my daughter. No, what you know, face, we don't have pressing board. You know, no pressing board. That's how I press. Just on the bed. Press on the bed. Here. Yeah, man, you have to press from both sides. Baby clothes. You know, sometimes I show you good clothes, but they are already ready. I mean, they washed and pressed. I would never ever put newborn in something what is not washed straight from the store. It's in our culture as well. Yep. So look how pretty this body is. Thank you, my friend Jody. It is a present from my friend. So cute. First Nike suit. Nike 6 months. Yeah, this is so cute. Alright guys, so that was the last set of clothes that I had to press. And right now I have nothing to press, I have nothing to wash. I can say I am ready, I am prepared. Yeah, now go wash again, now go press again. But you know one thing, my friend Jody, she went overseas and she brought me a nice baby blanket pink color. So I feel like I am going to take to the hospital this instead of blue one, because my biggest fear honestly, is somebody going to mistake the baby, think a boy, you know. So but definitely I'm just paranoid. Don't pay me any mind. Yeah, me don't want to be a mistake, but it's a mistake my baby. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at home for a change, because you know how babies stay, they puke and they do any kind of nasty stuff, so you have to change stuff on the regular. And yeah, and I'm having a girl, like, I mean, pink is for a girl. Since I have it, I'm gonna use it. Yeah, so nobody can give me no boy pick me. Nobody can give me no boy pick me. No, I'm a girl. Yeah, so it's going in my suitcase. I feel like we need to go to PriceMart and buy a big box of diapers, size 1. If somebody used PriceMart diapers, tell me something. Are they good? Are they usable? Like, what you feel about them? Or rather just go and stick to Pampers or Huggies them? Because I know, like, PriceMart diapers, they are going to be cheaper. Yeah, because it's a store brand name. Okay, store name brand. Yeah, so they are going to be cheaper, but I don't know about quality. I never used them before, you know. So if you use PriceMart diapers, drop in the comment section. Would you recommend me to stop by the store and grab myself a box of PriceMart diapers? Because I never had experience with them. I cook bulk of pulao, a seasoned rice with beef. We love it, and it's easy and fast to cook. Look at that. All the pressure cooker pot full of pulao. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yes, that's what I'm saying. And the next thing, I want my new Dutchy pot. Me want to show you guys my new Dutchy. I say me need to start cook a lot, because as well I'm gonna soon give birth. It kinda look a bit dirty because I already use it, so now watch my face. Yeah, but I bought new Dutchy, big Dutchy. So when I do my curry chicken, or when I do my brown stew chicken, anything, I can cook in bulk. Cause right now Swaggy don't cook little. Yeah, cause when I cook little, it can't serve my family. My family is growing. Yeah, so I have to be creative, you know. I have to find ways how to economize my time. So that is the way how I'm gonna start economizing my time. Yeah, and if somebody don't want the same food, I have them problems. Yeah, man, go eat something else. Go eat bun and cheese. Yeah, come with me. Just that I was feeling so hungry, you know, because I cooked a little bit. It wasn't enough all day. Yeah, and everything locked by the time I realized I'm running out of food. And my baby, you know, me kicked me really strong, you know, like she literally said, "Yo, mommy, you not feed me?" Yeah, good thing Lasco in the house. Lasco saved me, but I learned my lesson. Yeah, everybody, bon appetit. Bon appetit, bon appetit. Come on, Danny. You like it, Leah? You like it, Leah? It's good? Alright, enjoy. We're going on the road. Errol and the kids. Errol has football training today. Soccer academy running by my husband, and I'm going to be there for the kids to cheer up for me, because personally I love to go over there and chit chat with parents. It's so much fun for me. Medical socialization. Yeah, so I'm literally having fun. down there too, not only kids. And you know, I know a lot of guys watching. I have a lot of subscribers from England, and I wanted to ask you about this brand. This brand called Astonish. Maybe you're familiar with it. I really wanted to know, do you know this brand, and like, do you like it? Because right now I'm seeing more and more stuff from this brand on shelves in Jamaica, and the price is not bad. I can't say the quality is super duper, but with the price that they want, it's not so bad. So I really wanted to know, what kind of brand is that? Yeah, it's written on the package, it's made in UK. So I wanted to ask my English subscribers, do you know that brand? Because I have a lot of good household stuff, and it's very cheap. Sometimes it's cheap. It's like this shower gel I spent like, okay, with the tax, maybe 500 Jamaican, and it's a 500 milliliter shower gel, you know, 500 Jamaicans, not bad. And then the next thing I know, I'm gonna show you something. This has some antibacterial spray. I'm gonna pay 300 Jamaican dollars for it. Okay, so it's a good size, you know. Oh, I don't want it in England, so them I try to give it to it. Yeah, alright, so I hope I'm gonna get feedback from you guys. Tell me something about it, because I'm really curious. Because first time I see something like that came from foreign, and it's not super expensive. It's not expensive at all. I'm gonna take on the road with me my sandwich with corned beef, because I don't like when my belly digs me, especially when I'm pregnant. I can take it when I'm not pregnant. When I'm pregnant, I can't take it, so I'm gonna have to take something with me in case belly does start digging me. Corned beef sandwich, yeah, so I can snack on it. I'm tired of Alaskan crackers. Something new more. Yeah, and the next thing I have to take insect repellent spray. Yeah, some people say mosquitoes don't bite pregnant women. No to ras, them bite. Don't believe. You know, when the sun goes down, them in a business who pregnant, who not pregnant, them just come down and you're alive. Yeah, especially where we are on the field, on the football field, you have to have mosquito spray, because we stay there till sunset and a little bit softer. So I'm going to tell you something about the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes, and they have their one plantation. I don't know, maybe it is connected to it. They have one marijuana plantation down there. So when the sun goes down, mosquitoes are crazy. So at this, always have to carry with me. I don't want a dengue, I don't want something, you know. Yeah, dengue fever. And I have no injection against it. Nope. Alright. See my laundry. When I come back home, I'll come back home to it, you know. Yes, man. Work never stops. Real life. No prettiness. Yeah. Watch out the way I was worrying about to be late and it'll cost me. I first came out of the house, you know, today. First time. I wanted to show you. I have time to show you guys my pretty flower. Look, it's blooming. I don't know how long it will stay with us, because you know they have period of time, not like those little flowers, they just bloom right through the year. Those ones foreign ones, or it's not foreign, I don't know. Zinnia. Yes, so, and next ones are on the way. See, I'm gonna have some pretty nice flowers. Yeah, by the time I give birth, full of flowers here. Rest of the flowers, they never survived. Natural selection. Yes, sun destroyed them. Yeah. I think a zinnia now. I'll just show you a zinnia. Yeah, my Christmas tree is alive too, you know. My Christmas tree is alive. My aloe is alive. But my cucumber sadly died. Cucumber died. It's too hot for cucumber. You need something like a shelter for them, something. Yeah. Too much sun in Jamaica. They can't survive. Oh, salad never came too. Too hot for salad. Too hot for cucumber. Too hot for even scallion. I tried to plant, but good thing scallion is very cheap in Jamaica. Like really cheap. So I'm not sad about that. But salad would be nice. Mona salad. So goes. So guys, when I posted my previous video, some people suggested me to cut my tubes. So what Errol thinks about it? Would you want me to cut my tubes?
No.
Errol said no. Same thing. I wouldn't want Errol to do nothing to his reproductive system as well. Yeah, God, we agreed on the topic. Life is long, and you don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. So you can make. I do not like to make decisions, and those decisions you can't turn them back. You know. Yes. So do something like that. There's no way back. You know, and you might regret. You know, big time.
What if you don't go with your new husband?
No, sir, I know about it, not about new husband. You mean new husband? Anything can happen. New wife can happen. Yeah, do you want one more brother?
Probably
Sister,
yeah.
you want sister. Alright, but after sister, do you want a brother?
Sister.
Only sister and finished. Yeah? I have less than 20 days to when I go give birth. I can't believe. And it can happen early, you know. Karian already give birth. Me and she, we were kinda in the same time bracket. So I'ma say, why boy, swaggy. Girl, swaggy, take it serious right now. Cause, you know, clock a tick. Yes, man, clock a tick. And I am mentally still not really ready. And I don't really think I'm gonna be ready. But everything ready. My doctor ready. My anesthesia doctor, I'm ready too. Yeah, man. And my bag, hospital bag ready. I know Errol ready. My kids are ready. Yes. I'm in already.